Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to download and install GIMP on your Mac, whether you've got an Intel chip or one of Apple's new silicon processors. GIMP is a free, open-source image editor that packs in tons of powerful features, from layers and masks to advanced filters, and it works beautifully on Mac OS. So let's dive in. First, open up your favorite web browser. I'm using Brave, but you can also use Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. In the address bar, type gimp.org and hit enter. That will take you straight to the official GIMP website, which is always the safest place to grab the latest version. Once you're on gimp.org, look for the big download button at the top of the page. Click it, and you'll see options for different operating systems. Make sure macOS is selected, then click the Download GIMP button underneath. The site will automatically detect whether you're on an Intel Mac or Apple Silicon and serve you the right installer. Your download will begin right away. Depending on your internet speed, this can take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, go grab a coffee or stretch your legs. This is a great time for a quick break. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the GIMP installer package. A window will appear showing the GIMP disk image. Simply drag the GIMP icon into your Applications folder shortcut on the right. That's it. The transfer only takes a few seconds. Once finished, close the window and move the installer to the trash. Next, head over to your Applications folder and double-click GIMP to launch it for the first time. You may see a security prompt warning that GIMP was downloaded from the internet. Click Open to confirm. macOS will then verify the app and open GIMP's welcome screen. If you'd like to keep GIMP in your dock for easy access, right-click or control-click the GIMP icon in your dock, hover over Options and choose Keep in Dock. Now you can launch GIMP anytime with a single click, and there you have it. You're all set to start editing photos, designing graphics, or even creating your own digital paintings in GIMP. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more macOS tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. And